Hello friends, so today we will discuss about the Faraday's law. There are basically three experiments of the Faraday's. Okay? So in figure you can see the first experiment, and this is the second experiment, and this is the third experiment. Okay, so in first experiment, Faraday, it is the magnetic field. Here, cross science solves the magnetic field which is inward direction into the page. Here is the metal wire loop, and uh, this wire loop is moving towards the right with the velocity v. In experiment 1, it is the magnetic field in this region, which is cross marks is the region in which there is a magnetic field, constant magnetic field, and this rectangular is the wire loop which is moves to the right with the speed v. And in this experiment, there is current induced in the wire loop. So this is the Faraday's first experiment. Then in another second experiment, Faraday took the wire loop uh, at steady. First experiment છે એની અંદર ફેરાડે મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડનો સોર્સ જે છે એને સ્ટડી રાખ્યું અને કરંટ લૂપ વાયર લૂપ જે છે એને વી વેલોસિટીથી રાઈટ હેન્ડ ડાયરેક્શનમાં મૂવ કર્યું. એટલે લૂપની અંદર જે છે ઈએમએફ ઇન્ડ્યુસ થયું, બરાબર, એટલે લૂપની અંદર કરંટ જનરેટ થયો. સેકન્ડ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટમાં ફેરાડે જે છે એને અગેન અહીંયા જે છે આપણી પાસે magnetic field source, cross marks, and wire loop. So in the second experiment, Faraday uh, loop is steady. Faraday loop is steady, and the source of the magnetic field moving towards the left with the speed v. V velocity t અથવા તો સ્પીડ t જે છે હવે આ કેસની અંદર સોર્સ મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડનો સોર્સ જે છે એ લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ જે છે ડાયરેક્શનમાં v વેલોસિટીથી ટ્રાવેલ કરશે. સો અગેન વાયર લૂપની અંદર શું થશે, કરંટ જે છે એ ઇન્ડ્યુસ થશે, એટલે કે ઈએમએફ જનરેટ થશે, બરાબર. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ સેકન્ડ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ Faraday, and now the third experiment. In this experiment, both the source of magnetic field as well as wire loop both are steady, but the magnetic field changes. આ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટની અંદર ફેરાડે મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડનો સોર્સ અને વાયર લૂપ જે છે બંનેને સ્ટડી રાખ્યા, પણ મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ જે છે એને વેરી કર્યું. મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ વેરી કર્યું તો આ કેસની અંદર પણ જે છે એ વાયર લૂપની અંદર કરંટ જે છે ઇન્ડ્યુસ થયો, મતલબ કે ઈએમએફ જનરેટ થયો. Okay, so these are the three experiments of Faraday. Experiment number 1, in this experiment Faraday took steady magnetic field source and wire loop uh, moves with the velocity v. Okay, in the right direction, and the current is induced, and we can say that EMF is induced in this experiment. And this experiment number 2, in this case, wire loop is steady, but the source of the magnetic field move towards left with the same speed v. And in this case, current induced, and we can say that the EMF is also induced. This is the case of emotional EMF. But in the third experiment, both the source of the magnetic field as well as wire loop both are steady, and in this case, Faraday changed the magnetic field. So in this case, also current is induced in the wire loop, and we can say EMF is induced in the wire loop. So experiment number 1, when a wire loop, when a loop of wire is pulled to the right through the magnetic field, a current flowed in the loop. So this is the experiment number 1. Experiment number 2, when the magnet is moved to the left, holding the loop, still again a current flowed in the loop. So this is the experiment number 2. And last experiment number 3. Now both the loop and magnet is the source of the magnetic field. Both are at the rest. The strength of the magnetic field is changed. Again, current flowed in the loop. So these are the three experiments. So now we will discuss how EMF is generated. So the first experiment, nothing but the example of motional EMF, and that is E is equals to minus d phi by dt. In earlier video lecture, we have seen the motional EMF in which wire loop is moved with some speed, and due to this motion, EMF is induced in the wire loop, and this is the motional EMF. So the first experiment is also the case of the motional EMF, and in uh, this wire, EMF is induced. It can be calculated using this formula. E is equals to minus d phi by dt. So the second experiment is also, we can say that the example of motional EMF, because in this case there is also motion of uh, magnetic field source or a magnet instead of wire loop. There is a motion of magnetic field source or a magnet. So we can say the second experiment is also the case of the motional EMF. But for the third experiment, no motion of magnet or loop through, though current is induced. So in third experiment, there is no motion of wire loop or a magnet. This is the source of magnetic field, but though there is a current induced in the wire loop. So in the third case, there is no any motion, so the force cannot be magnetic. Still, current is passing through the loop. So in the third experiment, we cannot say this. This is the case of the magnetic. Sorry, this is the case of motional EMF because both the magnet and wire loop are steady. So, but current is induced in this experiment. So uh, we have the formula of EMF, that is E is equals to minus d phi by dt. So instead of V, we can write integration over closed loop surface A dot dl, and it is equals to minus d phi by dt. Instead of pi, we can write uh, closed loop integration B dot dA or integration B dot dA, because phi is equal nothing but the integration B into dA. dA is the area. So integration closed loop integration E dot dl is equals to minus, now del by del t આપણે અંદર લઈ જઈએ integration ની, so minus integration del b by del t into dA. So this is the Faraday's law in integral form, and we can convert it into the differential form by applying Stokes theorem. So this is the Faraday's law, that is integration E dot dl is equals to minus integration del b by del t into dA. So in both the side there integration is there. So this is the Faraday's law, which is in the integral form. So now we will convert into the this integral form into a differential form by applying Stokes theorem. So by applying Stokes theorem, we can get del cross E is equals to minus del V by del T. This is the third equation of Maxwell's third equation. Del cross E, curl of electric field E, is equals to minus del V by del T. So it is the curl, or we can say, or this is the Maxwell's third equation. So uh, we can say that the EMF E or EMF, we can say it is the EMF is induced due to the change of magnetic field. The third case ની અંદર third experiment ની અંદર જે EMF કરંટ જે ઇન્ડ્યુસ થાય છે કોને કારણે થાય છે, ચેન્જ મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ ની અંદરના ચેન્જ ને કારણે શું થાય છે કે કરંટ અથવા EMF જનરેટ થાય છે. સો EMF જનરેટ કરવા માટે મોશન જરૂરી નથી, જરૂરી શું છે, ચેન્જ ઇન મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ ઓર અ મેગ્નેટિક ફ્લક્સ. Okay, so this is the Faraday's law, Faraday's experiment. Thank you.